guys, I am here today to talk to you a little bit about some of the things I need us to review for our spelling and phonics, okay? So today we're going to be reviewing our affixes first. Then we're going to be introduced to our new skill, and we'll finish with our spelling list that you will write down, take home, and I'll dojo message to parents because we have a spelling quiz on Friday of this week. Friday the 11th. I was looking at my calendar, okay? All right, so first of all, we're going to review these affixes. You'll be tested over them as well next week, so we'll go through them together. And as we go through them, I'm just going to show you the cards, all right? I would rather do a 3-part drill with you guys, either in intervention or whenever I get back this Thursday, so that I can make sure you understand, because there seems to be some confusion with how we do it, all right? But these green cards, for you in phonics first, and then eventually, starting this week, actually, we're going to be introduced to morphemes, which you've never done before. That's a structure skill. We're going to be blending the two together. You'll have green cards that are typically or have been affixes. Affixes are word parts. They come at the beginning, and sometimes root words come in the middle of words, and they mean specific things. This is a very helpful way of being able to define what words mean if we have no other context clues or anything to help us understand what they mean, okay? All right, so I've noticed a lot of us are still a little confused on this. I'm going to go through each of them with you. Today, I'm just reviewing, okay? So the materials that you need are yourselves and your finger. We're going to finger spell these, okay? All right, the first one is pro, P-R-O. The dash is here, so it comes at the beginning of a word, so it's a prefix. Pro means forward or before, okay? All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to look down and show you. We are going to finger spell on our table or desk, wherever you're sitting right now. Make sure you have a flat surface, though, if you're at home, all right? And we're going to finger spell this word the way that we would finger spell it in the 3-part drill that I'm going to do with you when I get back, okay? So if I ask you to spell the sound or the affix pro, I want you to write P-R-O, pro, and underline it, okay, with your finger. I'm doing it facing my direction, even though the card is facing you, okay? So I'm going to say, finger spell this the affix, pro, P-R-O, pro. And then I'm going to say the definition, which is forward before, all right? So finger spell the affix pro, P-R-O, pro, forward before. That's how you practice it. We're going to do it 3 times each, okay? Ready? Begin. P-R-O, pro, forward before. P-R-O, pro, forward before. P-R-O, pro, forward before. All right? So that's our first affix, pro. Now, if you know this, this is just a fantastic review, but some of us are forgetting, all right? All right, first one was pro. The next one is pre. P-R-E, pre, before, is what pre means, okay? Before. I like to think of it, prefix comes before the word or the root word, so pre means before. Preview, to view before, all right? All right, it's finger spelling time. I'm coming back down. All right, finger spell the affix pre. P-R-E, pre, before. P-R-E, pre, before. P-R-E, pre, before. All right? Good job. Now we've got be. Be, become. B-E-B. Be, become is what be means. Be means to be or become. All right? All right, 3 times. Finger spell the affix be. B-E-B. Be before. B-E-B. Be before. B-E-B. Be before. Good job. The next one is D. Down, away. D-E-D, down, away. All right, let's finger spell the affix D 3 times. Begin. D-E-D, down, away. D-E-D, down, away. D-E-D, down, away. Whenever I'm finger spelling, I'm just spelling the word or the prefix, underlining it with my finger as I say it, and then saying the meaning, all right? The next one is re. R-E, re, back again. R-E, re, back again. Let's finger spell it 3 times. Finger spell the affix re, begin. R-E, back again. R-E, back again. R-E, back again. All right? Next one is ing. Ing. Now, this is a word ending. Ing means doing. It's a verb, okay? So it's not a past tense, a present tense or a future tense verb. So if I'm jumping, I'm doing it currently or I'm going to do it, all right? This one, you don't have to say the meaning of it. You just have to say, or finger spell it, all right? Finger spell the affix ing. I-N-G, ing. I-N-G, ing. I-N-G, ing. All right? Ing. The next one is S, or es, I'm sorry, benches. Es, benches. This one does not have a separate affix meaning, all right? It's just a spelling rule. Add to the end only after S, X, Z, CH, SH, SS, ZZ, NCH, TCH, or DGE, Jew, okay? So it's a plural form. All you have to do is spell it, all right? Finger spell the affix es. Go. E-S, es. E-S, es. E-S, es. That's hard for me because I'm saying S, but I have to say es, okay? All right, the affix in, not opposite of into, okay? This one's hard because it's a lot. Not opposite of into. Indent. Indent, okay? All right. Spell the affix in. I-N-N, not opposite of into. I-N-N, not opposite of into. I-N-N, not opposite of into. And this is what I'm saying when I'm saying opposite of or into, okay? All right. The affix un, un, not opposite of, okay? So un and in have similar meanings, okay? All right. Spell the affix un. Un, not opposite of. Un, not opposite of. Un, not opposite of. Good. We've got 3 more. Great job. I love this one because it's super easy. The affix sub, S-U-B, means under, like a submarine goes under the water, all right? All right, finger spell the affix sub. Begin. S-U-B, sub, under. S-U-B, sub, under. S-U-B, sub, under. Second to last, con. We did this last week. Con, C-O-N, means with, together. Contest. You're working together or against each other. Good. All right, finger spell. Finger spell the affix con. Begin. C-O-N, con, with, together. C-O-N, con, with, together. C-O-N, con, with, together. Last one for today. Miss. M-I-S, miss. Wrong, bad, hate. Ew, I hate this one. Misshape is in the wrong shape. Mishap is something that happens wrong, okay? All right, finger spell the affix miss. Begin. M-I-S, miss. Wrong, bad, hate. M-I-S, miss. Wrong, bad, hate. M-I-S, miss. Wrong, bad, hate. Okay? All we're doing is reviewing those today. Now let's go ahead and move to our new skill. I'm going to pause while I get your slide ready. Okay, so our new sound is the AR sound, AR, as in star. So this is our multisensory, or I'm sorry, our picture that we're going to use with it. R star. Now, this is going to be part of a syllabication rule, okay? We haven't done syllabication yet. We're going to do it this week. But anytime you've got a vowel attached to an R at the end, it makes a different sound, and it's called an R-controlled vowel, okay? Now, we know in syllabication, we usually divide between the vowel, two vowels. We find the vowel, find the next vowel, and then we label the consonants in between and divide between the two consonants. Or if it's a VCV, we divide between the vowel and the first consonant or the last consonant, okay? But in this circumstance, with our controlled vowels, we will group them together, okay? So AR star. Anytime the R is at the end, it helps or it makes the vowel say a different sound. Usually the A is apple, right? Ah, ball. But in star, it makes an ah kind of kind of sound, like ball in a way. So our spelling list is going to have this rule as well, okay? All right, we are going to move to our spelling list now. So click on the slide below this one, and it will give you your spelling list. Here's what I need you to do. I need you to write your spelling list on paper and take it home. I am going to dojo message your parents too, but you guys are in 5th grade at this point. It is super easy for you to write it down on a sheet of paper and put it in your binder and put your binder in your backpack and take it home, all right? Some of you have the internet at home, and in that case, you're good. I still want you to write it down because writing it down commits it to memory like we talk about today in our reading strategy, reading and writing strategy. But I want you to write them down on a sheet of paper. I'll show you in the next section, on the next slide for spelling, I'll have a video for you. I'll show you what it should look like. I mean, you should know, but you have to take it home. All right, guys? You will have a spelling test on Friday this week. It's only a 4-day week, so I won't have as many words as usual. I'll have 10 like we did last week, even though we're usually going to do 20, okay? All right. Click on the next slide on your slideshow, play the video, and then begin writing, all right?